Thanksgiving is less than 2 weeks away. How would you like to add little touches of Hawaii to bring tastes and visions of Hawaii to your Thanksgiving celebration? Aloha, I'm Hawaii wedding officiant Kim Cronella, and I'd like to share a few things that you can bring to your Thanksgiving that'll bring a little bit of touches of Hawaii. And I share all these, including recipes and directions on how to have a Hawaii-themed Thanksgiving on my website, weddingsonoahu.com. I put a link right on the front page. So my first thing I want to show you is my friend Gobbles. This is a better way to see him. This is Gobbles, and let me pull out here. He is a pineapple turkey, and I made him very easily. It's a no-sew turkey head that you're able to make with felt and a hot glue gun, and then it is easily just placed right into a pineapple, creating this great centerpiece. And that's so easy to do. You can do this with your kids or grandkids, create this super cute one. And I made this Gobbles, I think like 4 or 5 years ago. So every year I just get a pineapple, and he's part of my Thanksgiving celebration. So if you're interested in adding that, just go to weddingsonoahu.com, and there is a link right on the front page on the towards the bottom with a picture of Gobbles, and it will give you the pattern so that you can cut it out of felt and instructions on how to make it. And then there's also a link to recipes that are Hawaii touches of Hawaii, twists of Hawaii to different dishes for your Thanksgiving celebration. Now I'm going to share a quick recipe for a pineapple upside down biscuit that you can add to your Thanksgiving feast. So I'm going to read from the instructions so I don't miss anything. But what you would need to have is a 10-ounce can of crushed pineapple, a half a cup of packed light brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of butter, softened to room temperature, and 8 to 12 maraschino cherries, as well as 1 package of buttermilk biscuits, 8 to 12 in the package. Now get yourself a muffin tin and spray the tin with some nonstick. Then take the pineapple, the crushed pineapple, and separate the crushed pineapple and the juice, and hold the juice aside because you will need it for later. Combine the brown sugar, the crushed pineapple, and the butter, and then take that mixture and spread it evenly throughout. However many biscuits you have, put it in that many muffin tins. So if you have 8 biscuits, then split that mixture up into 8 bits and put it in evenly in each of the muffin tins. Then take a maraschino cherry and put it in the center of each one of those muffin tins on top of the pineapple mixture. And then you're going to place a buttermilk biscuit in each muffin tin, and take a teaspoon full of the pineapple juice and pour that over the buttermilk biscuit. Now, I should have said this in the beginning, but preheat the oven to 350 and then bake this for about 12 to 15 minutes until it's golden brown. Then when you take it out, you're going to let it cool for about 2 minutes and then flip it over onto a plate, and it is so delicious. It's like a dessert and a dinner thing all in one. It is so yummy. Your guests will love it. I have made it for a few Thanksgiving gatherings, and it is always a hit. So if you would like that recipe, if you didn't write it down or you don't want to write it down, I do have it, that as well as everything from appetizers to main course, side dishes, beverages. I have recipes for a full meal that has a Hawaii twist on your Thanksgiving meal at weddingsonoahu.com, as well as, don't forget, Gobbles. I have his pattern there as well. Thanks for watching, and aloha.